Welcome to IP Service, Learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to remove shortcut virus from pen drive and recover your data in 2025. First, click inside your pen drive into your PC. Now look your pen drive letter. This time my situation is drive is F. Now we look my pen drive, all data are in shortcut virus. We can just remove shortcut virus and recover our pen drive data. Just click drive letter explorer and type cmd. Open cmd command from direct to my pen drive letter by cmd. This time type del space star dot link. Hit enter. This command is executed successfully. Now we can type a long code, right? Attrib space ace space minus r space minus s space slash d space my pen drive location f drive, type f clone double slash star dot star, then hit enter. Oh, this time type extra e attrib. Now we can just correct a carefully type. Now we can say our code is successfully run. Now we can see shortcut virus, all shortcut viruses are removed. My pen drive data are showing. Now we can copy all of my data for recover from my pen drive. Now we can just create a folder and all of our data just copy from pen drive. This way you can recover your data from pen drive. Now we can format our pen drive for remove all rest of virus. Just we can say all of our data is saved. Now we format our pen drive for virus free. Okay, yes, look, your pen drive is totally safe and data totally safe. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe IP Service. Thank you.